Hi guys, welcome to back to my channel. Today we're going to looking at how to create a VM in Azure, and we will look at the cost and cost management and billing. And what is resource group. So we're going to look at all those stuff. So yeah, okay. So the thing is, first we have to log into our portal. So it's portal.azure.com. Right. Okay. So the security code is coming to my account. Okay, cool. So finally I'm into my Azure portal. So this is my portal. So these are my features that I have, and here you can create your virtual machine. This is your resource group and cost management. Okay, so for example, okay, what first let's do is we'll create a VM. So we'll create a VM. We'll see how to create, what are the images, what's the server cost for per month, all those stuff. Right? Okay. Okay, just click on the virtual machine, or you can go here and click on the virtual machine and create Azure virtual machine. So it's take a while. Right, it's my subscription. Right. So like first of all, if you're a newcomer, so it's a basic registration is there. You have to mention your first name, last name, your address, and your date of birth, your mobile number. Okay, once all the enter this information, you have to click next. Sorry, before that you have to verify your mobile number as well in the registration page. If it's done, once it is done, you can uh, going for the I had to add a payment method to that. So there's like there is nothing to worry about the payment method, because if you enter your payment visa card or debit card or credit card, it won't be charged. So, and they won't deduct from your account as well, because they will inform you. So your trial period has been end. So once they notice us, then will be charged. Okay, so nothing to worry. So I'm going to name here as test VM. Sorry, there should not be a space there. So like you can select the regions which your belongs to. So I'm belongs to here, Southeast Asia. So this time there's availability zone, say scale set. So scale set means scale up, scale down. So there is a called scale up and scale down. So in this scenario, there is no infrastructure, right? Because it's just a test, right? So this is my image. So here we have lots of images. See all images, right? So if you are using a Windows, these are the Windows images, and for the license, you have to pay. So that's if you bring your own BYOL, we call it as BYOL, bring your own license. So if you bring your own license, you can just add to this. So yeah, okay. So here the Ubuntu, okay, where it starts at 0.03 dollars per hour. Okay, see, $0.01 per hour. Okay, so Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. Okay, 0.03 for hour. So this time I click on this. Okay, so and images. Okay, so these sizes are not available, right? I think yes, there is no size. These are unsupported, so I have to choose a different uh, region. So I'm just going to, let's go for South India. We'll see. Let's choose a basic one right at this moment. Okay, here I'm using user ID and password. So the username I mentioned here. Yeah. Right, next disk. So here this is a premium SSD. So this will be charged. So this is the lowest price for the hard disk. So this is a non-critical. So I'm using a HDD, normal standard hard drive. Okay, and then yeah, if you want create a data disk for the test your VM, so you can create attach a hard disk here. So I'm going to change this standard HDD. I'm just adding this for testing because it's a example. This is a lab, so I'm just example this. So it's asking default encryption, so I'm enabling the default encryption. Okay, then okay. So next is networking. So here your virtual network. Okay, this is your name, test VM underscore group dot vnet virtual network. Your subnet is 10 a class slash 24, and your public IP name is like this, test VM dash IP, right? So this is this. So it's advanced network security group. So you can here delete public IP and NIC when the VM deleted. So I enable this. So once the VM is deleted, these your network interface card and IP detail will be deleted. Load balancing not required at this moment. Okay, and here boot diagnostic, I have to disable this. Okay, and there is your subscription is protected by Azure Security Center basic plan, right? For this image, does not support Azure AD logging, right? So okay, next. If you want, you can just add a tag here. Okay, and create. Okay, so the Microsoft Azure is reviewing my all this. Okay, so these are charges. Okay, so here it shows you this is for your Ubuntu and this is your hardware. So I'm just creating it. Cool. So it says deployment is in progress. So we'll just wait until this completes. So I would like to tell you that there are some certifications on in Azure, right? So if you go to Azure certification, so yeah, you can go. If you, this belongs to Pulse, right? Yeah. So there are Azure administrator certifications. So if you're going to a data engineer, data scientist, AI engineer, Okay, the security engineer will check this. So okay, so this is a fundamental Microsoft Azure fundamentals. Once this completed, you have to do your Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Azure, right? So Azure Virtual Desktop Specialty. So these are the certificates belongs to administrator, right? Okay, so if you go for security, if you go Azure fundamentals, and you have to do Azure Security Associate. So why I have to tell you guys one thing. So the best option is you can um, be you have to be, if you can be a certified in three steps. One is fundamentals, Azure administrator, and the security and networking. These four, right? If you certified on these four if you completed these four certificates, so there will be advantage for if you're finding a job. So it might be some person coming uh, it it might be some person like coming to an interview with you. So he is with Azure Fundamentals, limited certifications for Azure Fundamental, Azure Admin. So and you have completed Fundamental, Admin, Security, Networking, all these four certifications. So the advantage you will be that will be an advantage for you. Okay, so that's a thing I just want to tell you. Let's go to resources. So it's completed resource. So my VM is up and running, right? So can here you can see my standard, the size, VM size. Okay, this is my operating system. Okay, this is my resource group, right? Test VM group. So subscriptions name and my location, my public IP, right? So and my virtual subnet, right? My DNS name I'm not configured. If I want, I can configure this, right? And here my public IP, all the networking details, VM virtual machine details, and disk, and see my size, all the stuff. So here monitoring. So here you can monitor. Here I'll not take CPU, disk operations, available memories. So here like this. Capabilities, the Azure policies, backup policies, DR, and auto shutdown. If you want to auto shut down the server, you can schedule here time to auto shut down. Mm. So yeah, let's sorry, let's enter. You need putty to this. So okay, so I'm enter my username, password. So finally, guys, this is my VM, right? I'm as a root, right? So that's it, guys. So and the VM is completed. So we have created the VM. Okay, so if you want to capture in this capture, so you can just create a image the existing VM. So if you want, you can this time I'm not going to maintain a capture, so you can share it to a gallery as a VM image version. and this you can say no capture, only manage image, so like that. Okay, and you have to enter version number here, so for the identification. Yeah, so that's his that is a call capture. So and what else we can, if you want to activity logs, you can see here. So okay, these are the activity logs. Okay, if you want password reset, yeah, you can reset your password here, enter a username and your new password. So actually this is a global admin, I have full access, what I can do what I want. What, and like you can set up what you call like uh, alerts budget, right? So if you can for alerts, so if say your monthly budget is $100, so like $100 you had to get a trigger alert on 80% on your disk storage. So you can here, so if you're setting a budget for $100, you can like if is 80% has been reached, so you'll get a uh, alert to your email, right? And here you can create policies. See, it's overall resource compliance 100%, because actually it's compliant because I don't have anything here. All right, so yeah, this DR setup, this disaster recovery. So I'm in India. In it'll be so if anything in my current data center, it will switch to East US. So I'm changing it to Central US. We'll see it's Central US. So I'm just going to South Africa. No, I'm going to here, right? I call it as I think it's Japan East. It's here, right? Hmm, Southeast Asia. So, so once uh, South India is a problem in the South India, it will be related to Southeast Asia, right? So, so we'll be taking this card. So, right, so that's it, guys. So, and I have to show you one more thing. That is the resource group. What are this is a resource group, and this is a resource group. Network watcher resource group. It is like it's inspect the traffic, right? So what are the income traffic, outgoing traffic, what it's using. So basically it automatically creates while you're creating an VM. So this automatically creates. So if you look into this, we'll see. So resource group means like a bucket, you put stuff into that, right? So it might be a toys, might be a water, whatever, right? So it's kind of that. So this is a resource group. So here test VM, so this is a virtual machine, and test VM IP is our public IP address, and test VM networks, NSG mean network security group. Yeah, network security group. And this is your hardware, physical hardware, NIC, network interface card. So here you can remember the IP 10.10 range, the A class, right? So this is a public IP, and this is the disk 0 which we created for 32 GB or 35 GB, I guess. Yeah, it's here 32 GB here, right? And this just VM, the virtual network, right? See, virtual network, right? So this is the disk, which is the OS is installed here, OS disk, primary disk 30 GB, and so these are the stuff including in the resource group. Right, so this is guys, so just try it home, try this stuff at home. So before that, I'm going to delete this stuff. Okay, I'm going to resource group and delete resource group. I'm copying this name. So this is how we are going to be, we are deleting here. So deleting the resource groups are deleting. And go here. Okay, here I'm deleting these stuff, my network security, sorry, our network watcher as well. So no need. So while you're deleting a VM, so while you're deleting a VM, can you may remember that your this network interface card and your public IP will be deleted. So yeah, this time we deleted from the resource group. So I'm deleting here as well. So I mention here yes. So let's wait. Let's take some time to delete. Yes, the network culture resource group has been deleted. So this is successful. So it's deleting my VM and the other test VM resource group. So, so it takes a while. So that's it, guys. So for today. So I hope you all had a clear idea. So there's more videos to come on Azure. So there is a call virtual desktop, Azure virtual desktop. So here you can create a host pool. So there's lots of uh, uh, videos more to come on this Azure. So next the video might be the Azure virtual desktop. And right, so right, I hope just create an account. It's a free account. Won't be charged on your credit card or debit card. Just enter your details. So create a VM, just play with that. You have a free $200 free credits, which is given by Microsoft. Microsoft a little bit easy, so it's understandable, right? So that nothing is hard here, but there are some features a little bit hard to understand. So just go through this, just create your own VM, just practice. So just go through all these features, but just can see what are the features, what is inside SQL databases, what is inside SQL Cosmos DB, right? What is the load balancing? So all those stuff. You have firewalls. If you want, can see a firewall manager, web, which is called for web application firewall. So like that. So just go through these and study. Okay, guys, and thanks a lot for watching this video. So let's come with the next Azure uh, video as soon as possible. Bring another video for y'all. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye.